Hello, welcome to your fifth tutorial on IDs in classes. In this tutorial, we're about to talk about classes. What are classes? What are they used for? Okay, let's get to it. So, in our last tutorial, we talked about IDs. That IDs are used to style a specific HTML element. But on classes, they're used to style a group of elements. Okay, let's just write that down. Used classes are used to style group of HTML elements. Classes are used to style a group of elements. Okay, and what's the other difference? When it comes to writing our style, when you want to change when you're using styles when you're adding IDs, we use the hashtag. But when it comes to style, we use the dot. For example, just gonna say .1. So, okay, let's move to an example. Let's do something in an example. So this is a first paragraph, and it's gonna be a second. So I'm just gonna give it a class name. Just give it a class name. Just gonna say 1, and this one just gonna say class. Just say class. And I'm just gonna give it name 1. And inside our style, I'm just gonna say .1. So like I told you that this is the difference between how you use the ID and the class. In class, we use the dot. Then you write your class name. Then, so I'm just gonna say all these elements, I've grouped them. So I'm just gonna change the background color of the two paragraphs. So I'm just gonna say background color gonna be red. So just gonna save this, and I've saved my file, my desktop. So I'm just gonna, so you can see for yourself, the background color is now red of the two paragraphs. Because I've grouped these two paragraphs, I've given them the same name, same class name, so that all the changes, all the elements, all the changes, all the CSS changes that I'm going to place inside the class, they're going to have the same color. Did you get it? Okay. Let me explain again. The class, we use class to style a group of elements. So everything that I'm going to write inside our class, inside the body of the class, class 1, it's going to affect all the elements with the class name 1. That's why you're saying that you're saying in our browser that all these elements are paragraph, all the elements are paragraph, they have the red color, the background color red. So guys, that's all on classes. So I'll see you in the next tutorial where I'll be talking about styling pages. If you have any question, leave a comment on our YouTube channel or sort of Facebook page. Okay guys, thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next tutorial.